Hi guys, so you know the part 2 of that squishy thing? Well, apparently I'm timed now for some reason. So now I just have to show you the squishies and just be like really fast. Guys, so I got this extra. I got another extra, but it fell. It's that dried up slime, and then I got a starfish. So yeah. I'm timed for 4 minutes and 12 seconds, guys, so I gotta hurry. Keeper Monkey, she did mention your favorite plastic, and I want to get this one mostly, this one, and this one lastly. Inside it smells like marshmallows, and after squishy smells like cinnamon. She told me that I couldn't have the pop-pop sheet, so. Okay. Then, my Keeper bread loaf, I think I'm scammed again. So then she gave me a macaroon to make up for the cake, apparently. That's what I think. So then my squeeze mole. It was supposed to be a fox, but it still smells good, so yes. My my eye bloom Puni Maru jumbo yellow banana. It's paper. Chocolate covered strawberry. I got scammed. Definitely. Hello Kitty donut. I know this is cat and a donut, but like. Okay, then a pizza crap squishy. I mean, so my jumbo watermelon. It's not even jumbo. It doesn't even smell like watermelons. She said it did, but it doesn't. Dolphin squishy. That was supposed to be foam. I definitely got scammed. My favorite out of this package, though, is maybe my squeeze mole and my Keeper monkey. So, yeah. I got scammed, but at least I got the squeeze scruncher. So. Well, guys, I hope you all enjoyed this really short video. YouTube's making just my videos 4 minutes long, and it's like I'm restarting my whole YouTube channel right now because like it keeps saying like, is this video made for kids? And I have to select yes or no. I always select yes. Yeah. So yeah. Well, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Bye.